mascots last year, and today's vlog day. Yep, today's the day that I get to vlog to you, happy campers, about my 3 Musketeers product that I got from Beauty Bulletin, the Kiehls beauty products. So I've got some good news and I've got some not so good news. Actually, it is catastrophic news. I thought I'll give you the catastrophic news first, and then I'll get on to the good news. How's that? Deal or no deal? Cheesy. My catastrophic news this week, week 3 of the 28-day Kiehls challenge, is the fact that my little bottle has been violated. Yes, beauties, it has been violated. As you can see, my little bottle of dark spot solution is nearly half empty. Now, this is only 3 weeks into the challenge, and I literally only use 2 drops for my face, 1 drop for my neck, 1 drop on my forearm, because as you guys know, I'm also doing the forearm challenge where I treat one arm with the Kiehls products and the other arm is dry and crusty and disgusting. The difference is actually quite shocking. It's actually quite amazing. I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it, look. Anyway, I'll be posting pictures about that later on, just to get back about how devastated I am about this little bottle of goodness, that it's half empty, and I don't know why. So either one of my girls has knocked it over on my bedside table by mistake, or my cleaner has knocked it over by mistake, and it just tears me apart to know that half of my little bottle of Kiehls solution is on my bedside table. Look, my bedside table has never looked this shiny and plump and good, but I would prefer it on my face, thank you very much. I will actually be vlogging or blogging about it when I do get to the bottom of the mystery. You guys will be the first to know. Let's just can the bad news, please, and move on to the good news. Good news, beauties, is that I'm going to do a Kiehls store visit tomorrow at Stanton City.
Quality, service and community.
Now, this Joburg South girl doesn't venture more than 20 odd kilometres away from her little home. The Glen and Alberton City is pretty much my shopping mecca. So I'm pretty excited about that. I've got 2 products that I've got my eye on. One is the Skin Rescue. Heard lots of great things about it. Would love to get a sample and try it out. And the other one is their brand new product that's actually not in South Africa at the moment. I did ask on the Kiehls chat this week whether they have it or not, and that is the Micro Blur Skin Perfector. I'd love to try that. I'll be the first in the queue when it arrives here, and I'll even drive through to Stanton to go and get it. How's that? That is dedication, girls. That's the good news. I'm actually pretty excited about this trip. Not the fact that I actually get to go on the highway with my car. I'm getting to see all these Kiehls products in one little room. And I get to meet Mr. Bowens. Now, who doesn't want to meet Mr. Bowens, right? Woohoo! Kiehls Stanton, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Vroom, 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 vroom. In my car. In my car. In my car. Going through the e-tolls, e-tolls, going through the e-tolls, e-tolls. I'm not going to pay e-tolls, they're arse. I guess I'll chat to you very soon and look forward to everybody's before and after photos, as well as week 4 of the 28-day Kiehls challenge. Can't wait to see yours. Bye guys!
All for one and one for all. All for one, one for all. Quality, services, and community. Rare, rare, rare.
big enough.